This year I'm building the ultimate storm chasing vehicle. All right, here we go.
Tiv2 begins as a commercial truck chassis, but everything else is custom.
I'm going to actually get to weld.
For stability inside a tornado, it'll take a welded steel framework.
Every single thing about this new vehicle is better.
This set of tires is hooked to that forcing car right down here.
When this one goes down, pick that one up.
That's smart.
This year's Tiv is running 6-wheel drive on 10 tires, and a complex axle design keeps the body level on any terrain.
I mean, I love the back so much.
I do too.
I just love all this rubber.
Armored plating covers the entire frame, and hydraulic flaps keep tornado force winds from flipping it over.
Sean Casey. I'm gonna put as many lights as I can all along here.
The windshields are 2-inch thick bulletproof glass to fend off flying debris. And most important to Sean, the turret is designed for 360-degree filming.
The only thing that matters out here is to get that one shot of a tornado. That beautiful, violent tornado coming right at us. Tiv2 is going to be an awesome storm chasing machine.
At the Center for Severe Weather Research, Sean's storm-chasing partner, Dr. Josh Werman, awaits the unveiling of the new Tiv2.
Why don't we go get the old Tiv? We can get one more year out of the old Tiv.
Hey guys, Sean just called. The Tiv is just minutes out.
We turn left here.
It's a lot quieter than the old Tiv.
Much quieter. All right, flaps down. Listen to that thing. Wow. Good Dr. Werman, we meet again. But this time under different circumstances. Whoa. Wow. Hey, how you doing? Wow.
This is pretty wild. That's a change from last year.
Wow.
Looks like a stealth fighter.
Anything with fighter or stealth is